Are you looking to understand the 2025 Mercedes GLS cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? This guide answers about your questions about key symbols, alerts meanings helping you navigate your with confidence and ease. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Door panel with memory-enabled seat adjustments, power window mirror controls. The steering wheel is the primary control interface that allows a driver to direct and maneuver a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Restraint system. Seatbelt warning light. Occupant presence reminder. Reduced power. System error. Electrical malfunction. Power steering. Coolant temperature. Engine diagnosis. Engine operating temperature. Reserve fuel with fuel filler flap. Electric parking brake. Parking indicator. Regenerative brake system. Anti-lock braking system brakes. ESP. Trailer hitch. ESP off. ESP Sport. Attention assist. Traffic sign assist. Distance warning. Active brake assist. Active brake assist off. Active brake assist. Airmatic. Mercedes-Benz emergency call system. Tire pressure monitoring system. Side lights. Low beam. Turn signal lights. Rear fog light. Drive away assist. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.